Now, once we located the hip crest and ASIS, it will be much easier now to locate rectus femoris. I will ask you to place your right thumb right under your right ASIS and just very gently palpate and feel the tissues in this area. So move a little bit to the inside of ASIS and a little bit to the outside, a little bit under ASIS. Now there are a couple of muscles in this area. One of them is rectus femoris, and rectus femoris helps us to extend the leg. There are other muscles like sartorius and TFL which help us to flex the hip. And we're going to use the difference in the movement that these two different muscle groups produce in order to differentiate between rectus femoris, which is leg extensor primarily, and sartorius and TFL, which are primarily hip flexors. So the movement that you're going to attempt to make is moving your foot forward. Essentially this is leg extension, while your thumb is right under ASIS. And you can flex your hip a little bit to soften the tissues under ASIS. Now try to move a little bit. You may need to provide a very gentle resistance by placing your left leg in front of your right one. And you should feel the tendon of the rectus femoris contracting. Alternatively, you can flex your hip and feel that other two muscles to the inside and to the outside of your thumb are contracting. So try to make one movement by extending the leg, another movement flexing the hip, and try to feel the difference in the muscles that are being engaged. Right, so that again requires sometimes a little bit of practice before you can differentiate between rectus femoris in the middle and sartorius and TFL on the side. Okay, try practicing this and good luck with your practice. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.